Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how we can fix the 5000 pinch or high latency in our Discord on Windows. So let's get into it. So we can start by checking up your internet connection. Go over and look out for your internet connection and see if it's working properly. You may restart your Wi-Fi router or if possible switch to Ethernet and stop any kind of downloading or streaming on your PC because high ping often means network congestions. So you can close any kind of background network applications for that. So you can go to Task Manager of your PC. And once you head over to Task Manager, here you can end the task for different applications such as Steam or browser updates, Windows updates, etc. So find it up and right click on it. Select the option of end task. So go ahead and select this option of end task and confirm it up. And because those applications can silently consume the bandwidth. Apart from that, you can change the Discord voice server reason. So go to your Discord. Let's head over to the browser for now. And once you go to your Discord, you may log in into your account. And within there, go ahead and right click on your voice channel. So you may just go over and find your voice channel if you're a server admin. And right click on your voice channel. After that, select the option of edit channel. And you may scroll from the given option and go to the reason override section. And from here, you can set it to any other region such as India, Singapore, US East. Choose the nearest one for you. And once it is done, you can just go over and make up the changes. If you're not the admin, you can just skip this step right here. Apart from that, what we can do is we can reset Discord voice settings. So go to Discord and go to your settings of Discord. And once you access your settings, go to the voice and video section right here. And within here, you may just go over and reset your voice settings. So you can look out for the reset option and go ahead and reset your voice settings from here. And that is it. Apart from that, you can also turn off the use legacy audio subsystem. So within your settings, once again, go to the voice and video section and look out for turn off audio voice legacy. If you find that option right here, and just go over and turn it off from this section right here. And close this up. And what you may also do is you may just go over and clear the Discord cache. So you can close this up for now. And if you have the application available, press Windows plus R. And there, just go over and type in %app data. So type in %app data %/Discord/cache. And hit enter. And that should open up the file location. You can just go over and select all and just go over and delete it. And that's it. You may try out the solutions and try fixing the 5000 pinch issue on your Discord on Windows. So try each of this step and your pinch should drop instantly. So if this video helped, hit the like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.